Well, there are a couple of pieces of good news on Friday. First, with the Chinese economic data, especially retail sales, rising at 13.7%. And second, Italy held a bond auction which went off really well. €5.25 billion worth of debt was sold at a yield of 4.65%, down from 5.3% the last time they tapped the market. The positive mood generally lasted to Asia's opening today, but stocks in Shanghai are down 1.75%, perhaps because they've got a more sober view of economic prospects there, as shown by this chart of what they call GDP proxies: cement, steel and electricity. Electricity is the telling one, I think. The growth rate has fallen from 30% to zero over the past couple of years, which is why commentators are questioning whether the 7.6% GDP growth reported last week for the June quarter is accurate. The Australian market rose 0.6%, with resources and financials all going up. Whitehaven Coal jumped 18% in response to the takeover offer from Nathan Tinkler announced late on Friday. The bid is $5.20 a share, but it's non-binding and conditional, which might explain why the stock is selling at more than $1 below that on the market. Qantas posted the biggest fall among the leaders, down 2.4%. And the Australian dollar jumped to 102 and a bit from 101.7 this time on Friday. Today's economic data were lending figures. The total was down quite a lot, due entirely to a big fall in commercial loans, but this is a very volatile series, so don't take too much notice of it. Finally, a chart of the national retail petrol price versus the wholesale price, explaining why this business drives everyone bonkers. Just look at the way it jumps around. Anyway, the price is heading up now, and down, and up, and down, and that's finance.